Hey everybody, it's Mary, and thanks for being here. This is an August paper pumpkin kit, and I've did a little different with it. I'm using Merlot made a purse, a 6x6 inch purse, paper purse, and I will attach a video, or maybe you're coming from that video. So I'm glad you're here. This is a 6x6 inch piece of Mary Merlot, which I scored at 1 1/4, 4 3/4. Turned the page a quarter turn and did 2 1/2 by 3 1/2. And then we attached the banners from our kit, which is such a beautiful paper. It really is. I cut that at 3 1/2 by 2 1/2, and I rounded the corners with, as Amanda from Scrimp and Mommy would say, with contraband. That looks nicer when you use the rounded corners. Of course, I'm pretty much stocked up on a lot of different things that I thought was pretty good, and rounding corners was one of them. Anyway, sorry I'm out of frame, but you know how to glue paper. Yes, I think so. We have a ton of things here. We're getting ready for craft fairs, and I barely can get to my filming desk. It is quite a mess. I have to get organized, but I get distracted, and I started making this, and I really love this paper, from the August paper pumpkin kit. Here we go. All right, moving on. Now we're going to make the handles, and the handles we're going to make from 2 strips, 1/4 of an inch by approximately 4 inches, give or take, depending upon if you want long handles or short handles. Short handles, it's hard to attach. I made a little faux pas putting on my handles. I put them on backwards. Had to fix that, and that's why one of them looks a little bit more wrinkled than the other. But nonetheless, it still works. I like to attach and hold them in place with binder clips. Now you're going to attach the closure, which is a 3/4 inch wide by 1 3/4 inches long. And I used tape and glue to attach that, and Velcro, which you can find at any office supply house. I cut these in half. They're oh gosh, maybe about 1 inch wide. There or about. So, here we go. I show you how I do this. This, I think, is the easiest way to do it. It's harder to do it on the handles, but using some tear and tape and glue just makes it, the glue gives you a little time to maneuver, and then our glue, the Tombow glue, really does, it absorbs really quickly and holds fast. So you have a little movement, not much, but a little, and then the tape takes over, and so you're like double secure on that end. I hope you are enjoying your time now. If you have fall in your area, in the cooler weather, I'm still waiting. Although it was a little breezy out today, a little cool breeze. We always have some wind or breeze or something, but most of the time it feels like a convection oven. So I cut this in half because really you don't need the whole piece there. It's just a paper purse. It's not, you just have to watch the sides. So, I could have made the closure just a little wider, but it works. It works. Not a big deal. This particular Velcro holder, the instructions say, you have to hold it in place or let it dry for 15 minutes so that it adheres to the paper or whatever you're attaching it to. So now I took the sequins that we had, and again, the paper or piercing tool, or I cannot find it. It's somewhere around here, so I have to use my little sausage thumbs, and I thought that would make a nice little addition, just attaching them to like little rivets that look cute. And it goes. Gives it a little sparkle. I liked it. Just on all sides. I think this would make a really cute little teacher's gift, just to, give them a little thank you. Teacher appreciation should be all the time in my mind. Just sending your kid, or even just dropping some off and having them put them into their mailboxes. I think it's a cute thing. Or if you have coworkers, if you're working still. I work on the computer, so I don't really have coworkers to share this with. But I could share it with my friends. I know they would like it. Or with my classmates, my people who come to my cards and coffee. They would like this. Now I just took the enjoy stamp and I put it on one of the banners, and I'm cutting the banner down. You could also just, put a little hole in it and have it attached with some string to the handle, like a label of some sort. Some people do that, but I just wanted it. I didn't have, like I said, I can't find my paper punch. So we're just going to glue it on. I think that works just as nice. And I think it's a cute little addition. I love making things like this and just sharing them with people. I hope you do too. There you go. Look at how cute. And it's such beautiful colors. I really like that paper. So everybody, if you enjoy, I really thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed today's videos and want to see more, subscribe and hit the bell. And if you are already a subscriber, thank you so very much. And would you share this video so we can grow our community and help spread calm through crafty endeavors? And remember, crafting not only saves the planet, it can save your sanity. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you again.